Welcome back everyone. Have you ever thought of making bharta without bangan? If not, then today I will share a very unique Lauki Bartha recipe with you. And if you like bangan ka bharta, then I'm sure you're gonna love this recipe too. It's a nice way to treat picky eaters with one of the healthiest vegetable which has good amount of water content and many health benefits. So without any delay, let's get started. For making this recipe, I am taking 2 pounds of Lauki or bottle gourd. First, we will wash the bottle gourd and then grate it with a grater. Grating is going to be a bit hard on your arms. So to cut down some stress from your arms, I suggest taking some help from your better half. After grating is done, heat some oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot, we'll add 2 to 3 dried red chilies. Stir fry them for 1 minute or until dark brown spots appear on the surface. Then we'll add 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds have crackled, we'll add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Add 2 tablespoons minced ginger garlic. Saute it until the raw smell goes off. To give some nice color to our dish, we'll add quarter teaspoon of Kashmiri Red Chili and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Give them a mix and then we'll add 1 cup finely chopped onions. It will take around 5 to 7 minutes for onions to become tender and release oil. So we'll keep on stirring frequently to prevent them from burning. Once the oil separates out, we'll add salt to taste. Cook it for a minute and then we'll add 1 medium chopped tomato. We will cook the tomatoes until they are soft and the oil starts releasing from the sides. And to give some kick to the dish, add half teaspoon of red chili powder. Now that our masala is ready, here goes the showstopper, our grated bottle gourd. Mix it very nicely and then we'll cook it uncovered for 20 minutes or until the quantity is left half. And then we'll add our remaining spices. Add 1 tablespoon of crushed dried fenugreek leaves. Add half teaspoon of garam masala. Keep on stirring, and in the end we'll add fresh chopped cilantro. Our Lauki ka bharta or mashed bottle gourd is ready. Remove it in a serving dish and garnish with some more cilantro. Serve it hot and paired with it chapati and salad. I hope you like this video. Please stay tuned for more interesting videos and do try this recipe and share your experience with me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.